Are you getting this message? Emulator process for AVD has terminated. It's one of the most frustrating errors in Android Studio. You click play on your emulator and nothing. Well, today I'm going to show you the real reason this happens and how to fix it in about 60 seconds. The first thing we need to do is find out what actually went wrong. Go up to your menu bar, click on Help, and then find Show Log in Finder if you're on a Mac, or Show Log in Explorer if you're on Windows. This will open up the folder where Android Studio keeps its log files. Open the main log, which is usually idea.log, and scroll all the way to the very bottom. And right here, this is our culprit. See this? Not enough space to create user data partition. The problem isn't a bug in your AVD. The problem is your hard drive is full. The emulator tried to create its virtual hard drive, failed because there was no space, and then just gave up with that terminated error. So the fix is simple. We just need to free up some disk space. Check your system settings and go to storage. If you have very little space left, that's the issue. Find a few large files you don't need. Delete old video files, installers, or other large documents. Once you've cleared up enough space, say 10 gigabytes or more, go back to Android Studio. Click the play button one more time. The emulator should start up. All it takes. If this video saved you some time and frustration, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.